Imagine life that crackles like lightning instead of breathing air. Plasma-based aliens would rewrite everything we know about biology. Forget cells. Think living storms, feeding on energy. Would we even recognize them as alive? Stick around and let's spark some wild ideas together. I'm your host, and today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending possibilities in astrobiology. We all learned about the three states of matter in school: solid, liquid, and gas. But there's a fourth state that most people never hear about: plasma. Plasma makes up 99% of all visible matter in the universe. The sun, the stars, even the aurora borealis, all plasma. It's everywhere, yet we barely understand it. Plasma forms when gas gets so hot that electrons break free from their atoms. This creates a soup of charged particles that can conduct electricity and respond to magnetic fields in ways that seem almost alive. For decades, scientists have suffered from what we call carbon chauvinism, the assumption that all life must be carbon-based. But what if we're thinking too small? What if life could emerge from the fundamental forces of the universe itself? In 2007, researchers discovered that plasma can spontaneously organize into helical structures that reproduce, evolve, and even metabolize. These aren't just random patterns, they're showing characteristics we associate with living systems. Russian physicist Vadim Sitovich proposed that these plasma structures could be the basis for an entirely different form of life. Imagine DNA made not of carbon and phosphorus, but of pure energy and electromagnetic fields. If plasma life exists, where would we find it? The most obvious answer is in the hearts of stars themselves. These aren't just balls of fire, they're complex electromagnetic ecosystems. But plasma life might also thrive in the upper atmospheres of gas giants like Jupiter. The constant electrical storms could provide the energy these beings need to survive and reproduce. Even the seemingly empty vacuum of space is filled with plasma, the interstellar medium. These cosmic highways of charged particles could be teeming with life forms we can't even imagine. Instead of eating food, plasma life would feed directly on electromagnetic energy. They'd be like living power grids, channeling and transforming energy across vast distances. Reproduction wouldn't involve DNA replication, but rather the splitting and recombination of electromagnetic patterns. Their genetic code would be written in magnetic fields and electrical frequencies. Could plasma beings develop consciousness? Their thoughts might be electromagnetic storms spanning light years. A single thought could ripple across entire star systems, making them truly cosmic minds. How would we even detect plasma life? Our instruments are designed to find carbon-based biosignatures. Plasma beings might be broadcasting constantly, but we're listening for the wrong signals. Imagine trying to have a conversation with a lightning bolt. The timescales alone would be incompatible. What takes us years to think through, they might process in microseconds, or vice versa. What if some unexplained phenomena, ball lightning, sprites, even UFO sightings, are actually plasma life trying to communicate? We dismiss them as natural phenomena, but maybe they're as alive as we are. If plasma life exists, we'd need to completely redefine what we mean by life itself. The implications would revolutionize biology, physics, and our understanding of consciousness. We might not be alone in the universe. We might be surrounded by intelligence we can't even perceive. The cosmos could be alive in ways we never imagined. Scientists are now developing new methods to detect non-carbon-based life signatures. Every plasma experiment brings us closer to understanding whether life can truly emerge from pure energy. The idea of plasma-based alien life challenges everything we think we know about biology and consciousness. It's speculative, it's wild, but it's grounded in real science. The next time you see lightning flash across the sky or watch the aurora dance overhead, remember that you might be witnessing a form of life more ancient and vast than anything on Earth. What do you think? Could plasma beings be out there right now? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending science content. Until next time, keep looking up.